Hey guys, Roy from Meticulous Mechanical. Hope you're all enjoying your Christmas break and festive season. If you're actually having a Christmas break, we're having a much needed break from the 22nd and we're off until the 7th. As a lot of you know, I'm a pilot, so in my spare time I fly. This is one of my aeroplanes. This is called an RV6. It's a two-seat light sport sort of aerobatic machine. It cruises at about 300 k's an hour. So it's quite nimble and you can, go long distance in it, which is cool. So yeah, I mean, a lot of my customers that are out there, I mean, we have conversations and, I've probably told you that I fly and whatnot, but for those that you don't know, yeah, I've been flying since I was an apprentice. A lot of people when they are out being apprentices, drinking on the weekends, spend all their money on alcohol and whatnot. I was knuckling down, working hard, getting my pilot's license. I used to buy cars that were traded into some of the dealerships that I used to work at, and the ones that weren't quite good enough to go onto the yard, like the wholesale type cars, and I used to buy them cheap off the dealership, fix them up real nice to my meticulous standards, and then sell them on for a profit, and then I used to put the profit into flight training. So yeah, that was back in 2007. I did my license, so I guess I've been flying for about 12 years now. I've got accumulated nearly about 500 hours flight time, so making a dent. But yeah, like I probably tell quite a few of you, like my passions in life are business, because I get to use my my skill set in a way that helps people. I like to perform what I can do at a really high standard, execute at a really high level, provide outstanding customer service, and just go the extra mile that a lot of businesses don't do, and that's why I'm always really busy. Because there's a real lack of care and quality in just about all trade industries out there. Not even trades, just across the board. Just people don't really give a shit anymore. So I'm of the old mindset. I work really hard. I do really high quality work, outstanding customer service, and I'm accountable to all my work. So I mean, sometimes shit happens. No one's perfect, and things go wrong. Even if they're not my fault, I'll always show up and I'll always be there to support all my customers. Even if there's not a dollar in it for me, whereas a lot of companies, as soon as the buck passes, and you have a problem after the fact, they're a pain in the ass to deal with, or they're not that interested, or whatever the case may be. So I'm just trying to lift the industry standards in that way, or lead by example in my industry to hopefully other people will follow, because I mean the automotive industry in particular is I used to think that, the bygone eras of dodgy mechanics, ripping off women and just customers and telling them like lies to try and sell them more shit. I actually thought that was dead until I really went into business for myself, and then I realised it was still just as prevalent as it was in the past, which is shocking. So hopefully by leading by example and producing quality content through my various social media outlets, I can kind of demonstrate to you, the customer, and people that are interested. I'm not here to plug my products. I'm just here to raise awareness, provide some entertainment through my channel, show some interesting stuff, and what to look out for. So, I mean, obviously, I'm not equipped to handle the whole of Perth as far as cars go, so there's only a limited number of people that I can really help. Through what I do, but I am growing the business slowly but surely, so I can maintain the quality that's near and dear to my heart. The other thing I want to say was, here's New Year's Eve, or nearly New Year's Eve. I'll be posting this on New Year's Eve anyway, but I just wanted to wish everybody a great New Year's Eve and a great 2020 moving forward. Want to give a big shout out to all my customers that support my business and are very loyal to me, and I'm also loyal to you, as you know. I really appreciate it, and it's been a big year for Meticulous. We've gone from strength to strength this year. So at the start of the year, I got my first workshop and fitted that out, so that we've now got a good workshop facility to do bigger jobs from. We then got Alana, our admin, to be able to take over all our booking, all about bookings and job scheduling and logistics and invoices, and it's taken a huge load off my shoulders, so then I can now focus more, you know, on the daily grind, and you know, I'm not spending hours and hours after hours just keeping on top of bookings and managing the jigsaw puzzle that is the diary of a mobile mechanic, with, you know, jobs everywhere from Mandurah to Joondalup and beyond. It takes a lot of work and effort to do that. So yeah, that's taken a huge load off my shoulders, and it just lets me to focus more on, you know, doing mobile mechanics, doing what I do really well, and it also gives me a chance to, you know, look at bottlenecks and, you know, see where I want to go in the future with the business. So like I said, yeah, we've got a ladder on, and then we also set up mobile tyres, because I just kept seeing customer after customer that needed new tyres on their car, and they'd always ask me for, you know, advice on where to go and what brand to get. And, you know, there's a lot of cheap tyres out of there that, you know, are rubbish. They never last the distance. They always get some problem before they wear out. So there's a lot of guys that are really plugging cheap tyres, and they just, you know, a lot of people go to them because they're the cheapest. I'm not interested in that at all. I'm not interested in being the cheapest tyre guy out there. I mean, I'm interested in giving you the best price I possibly can on good quality tyres that'll go the distance. So, and that's worked quite well for the business and for my customers. You know, I know I'm making sure they get good quality tyres, because I hate seeing people, you know, cut corners on tyres and then have problems after the fact. So I get to influence that now. You know, I don't push them hard. You know, if you need them, I'll try to sell you a set of tyres and make sure you get the runs that you need. But if you just want to save $50 on a set of tyres and go somewhere else, you know, it's no skin off my nose. I'm just providing another service. It's you know, convenient, so you don't have to run around and, you know, go sit in a dingy tyre store for a couple of hours on your Saturday morning or whatever the case may be. I'll come out and do them on site. So that's been another aspect of the business. It's been, you know, fun developing. Got the mobile tyre platform set up. And then recently we added another work vehicle to the fleet in preparation for bringing on another employee, a fully qualified mechanic. That'll be fully fledged by me and fully approved by me. So I know a lot of you customers are always asking me, oh, make sure you know, well, you know, we want you and whatever. But you need not worry. You know, I'll if I send someone out to you, they're approved by me, so they're going to be good. You know, I'm not going to employ somebody that's not good. So I've always been in the mindset I'm growing the business, you know, at a rate that's, you know, sustainable to maintain the quality that I desire. Anyway, yeah, again, I hope you all have a great new year. Hopefully this video's been informative. I'm going to try and do more videos like this, because obviously I love to share my passion through business and aviation. Aviation keeps me sane. You know, it's my disconnect from reality. I get to come out here and cruise around, look down on the world and just clear my mind, because business, you know, really takes a lot out of you at times. It's great just to be able to get a loft and you know, enjoy the beautiful place that is Perth from the air. And yeah, I'm going to try and like sort of start making some more videos, you know, bring you guys along for the ride, show you what it's all about. I might even bring along some customers and, you know, maybe interview the customers as we're flying around, ask them some questions about, you know, what they do, what their profession is, you know, whatever. Anyway, let me know what you guys think. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and safe travels, and look after your car. Roy from Meticulous, have a great one. See ya.